Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial. Today we continue to working with project La Casa Pura. So in this tutorial will be a bit differently. I will not show you all the process. I will show you only the key moments. By this way you will see a lot of the things, new things in only one video. You no need will spend like 20 or 30 minutes to learn what's going on your screen. You will see only the key moments and it will be able to follow it. So if you are ready, let's get started. The main thing, we should go to the level 2 and we should finish our wall, our windows. I will go to the level 2 and as you can see I don't have any of the windows on this level. As you remember, I'm not trying to follow it exactly what we have on the drawing. I'm just drawing something like that. As you can see, all these windows which we have on the second floor, this is curtain wall. Here's the curtain wall, here's the curtain wall, that one, and that one. Differently, it's only the equipments what we have. For example, this one we have this fixed curtain wall. And here also the fixed one, but with the door. Here is the sliding door, and as you can see, it's a bit differently. I will start from the fixed one. The fixed curtain wall, this is most simple what we can do in this project. So what you gonna do with that? Just go to the architecture. Here you will find the wall, and here you will find the curtain wall empty. I'm using it like my fixed curtain wall, and I will place it exactly where is my staircase, because I wanna place the light inside all the way when I'm walking through on the staircase. I will try to draw properly. I need some guidance line. I'm using just a line, as you can see, and this is like a guidance, because if you will use a line not will extend your line of the curtain wall. The line only will move it, so this is really important for us. I will select my curtain wall. I will check this is from the level 2 to the level 3 and top offset minus 200 mm. Everything should be okay. I will go to the level to the 3D and I will check it. So as you can see, maybe better to place it without offset from the top side, but we will see in the next time. Right now I will say this will be 0, so it's going to the full height of my wall, as you can see. My one more main thing, we cannot place glaze like this huge size. This is impossible because no one will do that. So I need to create some curtain grids. I will create the curtain grids. I will do it vertical one, and I will do like each 1600 mm. 1600 mm and 1600 mm from the right side. And here is as it is, so as you can see. And now we should place the mullions. I will find the mullions, rectangular one, and we will place exactly on this side. And as you can see, here is our curtain wall with the fixed windows. Now it's time to create our curtain wall with the door. As you can see, fixed one we have only one, but the curtain wall with the doors we have a lot of, like 1, 2 and 3. This is some special one. I will create, for example, that one. And I will go to the Revit. Here we are inside the Revit, and you are able to use the same curtain wall. So I will use the same curtain wall. I will place it exactly as I want. So I will place it somewhere here, and after that I will extend it manually. As you can see, it's really hard to extend it exactly till this wall. So that's why I'm using sometimes the model line like a guidance. But don't forget to delete it, because if you not will delete, you will see this as model line everywhere. So we did it, and now I know I want to create the door here. As you can see, here is the door from the left side here. What we can do? Actually this is pretty easy. I will show you. Just curtain grid, and place curtain grid like 900 mm. I will place it somewhere here. After that I will select it, and I will say here is 900 mm. So here will be exactly my door. Before I will place my door there, I will use the mullion, and I will place it here. So as you can see, here is the door. Now I will go to the 3D. This is much better for us because we can control it. As you can see, here is my future door, and as you understand, my door not will be on the full height. So for that one, I should create the curtain grid, and now horizontal one. I will create it somewhere here. I will select it, and I will say the height of that should be 2100 millimeter. Done. And I will place it, of course, the mullion. I will place the mullion. Now you can see here will be my door on this side. Okay, done. So the next thing, before we will place the door, I will select this bottom part of the my mullion. I will unpin it and I will delete it. Done. If you not will unpin it, you not will able to delete it, because my door will be exactly to place till the floor. I will select my panel right now, this panel. Now I will unpin it. As you can see, it's unpinned. And now let's see what we have here. As you can see here, we can place some wall, we can place some curtain wall instead this panel, but we need door. Where you can find it? Go to the Insert, Load Family. You will go to the standard library of the Autodesk. This is pretty enough for your work if you not wanna do some special thing. And you need curtain panels. We need the panels. Curtain wall panels. So let's go inside. And here we have some curtain wall panels, as you can see. And even we have the door. We need just glass door, as you can see. Single glass door, no frame. Yes, I don't need any frame. We are so rich guys. We are no need any frame. Here is really thick glass door. I will select it, and now it's inside on the in our project. Now I'm using the tab key to select again my panel, and now if we will I will try to choose my type of the panels. You will find here the glass panel door. I will click on that, and as you can see now exactly I have the door on this side. I will go to the level 2 and you can see the symbol of the door. Just use the space bar, select it, space bar, and we will mirror it. And as you can see, we have the door exactly on this side. As you see, we have here the one more thing and one more thing here. Let's say here will be your assignment. So try to think how you will place here the door with the small size. Maybe it's not will be door, just I will leave you for you. Now it's time to create the sliding door. As you can see, we have two sliding doors here. I already placed my door in the curtain wall. Now we wanna do with the sliding door. Let's start from this side. So here is my the middle room. I will go to the wall. I will place it 600 offset from that side, and let's say this will be maybe 3.6. It's pretty enough for us, and here will be sliding door. As you understand, we have here the two panels. It cannot say properly here, but I think this has two panels. So for that one we should create the curtain grid. Curtain grid will be exactly on the middle, and I will place here the mullion on this side. I will go to the 3D, and here is my future door. And let's see what we have here. The first thing, as you can see here, is the frame. Again, this is a bit not for us. You can actually leave this frame, but we should change this panel. I will select this panel, and as you can see, here is just a grid, just a panel. I will go now to the curtain grid, and I'll say that my height will be 2100 millimeters, so not much, because I don't want to again make it so huge. Me do the grid here, and as you can see, here is my future curtain wall. Me will go to the now Insert, Load Family, and if you will check here, you cannot find the sliding door. We have like single door, we have like double door, but we don't have any sliding door here, so this means you should create it. Actually, this is pretty easy. What we're gonna do right now, actually we will go back, we will select this wall, I mean the family with this door, single door, and edit family. Yes, we are use this family like host one. Actually everything will be same except one thing. If you will go to the baseline level, you will see we have something like that, but I don't wanna make it with this opening. I will change it, I will delete it, I don't need it. Okay, I will change to the height line, Here is the my, this is actually looks like a handle. Yes, this is it. And the one thing more, as you can see, the my sliding door is standing exactly on the on this line. Maybe we can make some offsets from that one, but it's already up to you. Offset here is the 500 millimeter, 50 millimeter, sorry. Let me, I will make it bigger. I will do an offset like 150 millimeter. Let's apply it. Yes, and this is what we want, I think. Or maybe we will do a bit smaller, like 100 millimeter. You can create it from the zero, so this is not problem. So 100 millimeter. And one thing more, we will create the model line, or you can create annotate. Better to create annotate by symbolic line, and here we will create just arrow like this and like this. Let me, I will mirror this part. So as you can see, now we have like line which showing us where it's opening our door. Before I will load to the project, I will save it. Let's save it, and we will call it double door single glass, no frame, and here we will write sliding. Now we have sliding door. Sliding door we have right now, and let's load inside now to the project. As you can see, I not replace anything. Let me go to the 3D. I will select now this panel, and now I will able to place here the sliding door. Where is my sliding door? Here. As you can see it here. Let me, I will go now back to the level 2, and what I can see, oh, here is the arrow. So this is what we want. Here we have the arrow, and our door is opening on this side, so this is pretty awesome for us. Let me, I will go to the 3D. Here is my door. As you can see, it's a bit extended from the frame. Yes, you can create some external frame, you can create like a line where it will be following. So, but it's already detail, and you are like an architect, no need to do this detail, because we have some special companies like 𝒕𝒐𝒏'𝒕. They will do this project, so don't spend time for that. Just place it with the right size, and that's it. Yes, this is door actually big. Yes, it's really huge big door. But if you will check this drawings, it's also here it's like 1000 something millimeter. Okay, anyway, we will leave as it is. Our door opening or opens on that side, and we will leave like that one. So now we can create this sliding door on this side, and where we have the else, only this side. So you can make even this line more bigger than I have right now. So you can select this panel, go to the edit family, and don't forget go to the baseline. You can make it parametric if you want, but if you need that, so this is again up to you. You can do even like that. You can connect this part here, you can connect that part. Just hold on. Let me do manually like this, connect, select this everything, and create the group. Where is the group? I want to create the group. Yes, group it's here. After that, align, and align again. It's a bit hard to align. Okay, anyway, I will align manually. Done. Let me, I will load inside the project again, override, and as you can see, we get more bigger line. You can make it even more bigger than I have right now. So, but it's enough for me. Once you delete the mullion below our panel, you will say, why I cannot see my panel? Yeah, the reasonable question. You can select your panel and you can go to the edit family again. Let's see. If I will select now my panel, I will go to the visibility graphics, I will see I cannot see my 3D panel on the plan. So you have two ways. You can say you wanna see your 3D panel on the plan, or you can draw a manual line and you will able to see it on that. I will show you the second way. I just go to the annotate, symbolic line, and here pick the line. Let's select, or maybe let me, I will draw it manually again. I will draw one line here, I will draw one line here, one line here, and here. Now I will use the align key. Let's align to this line, connect, line to this line, connect, and just I will continue with all of these edges and connect. Now I don't forget to trim. Of course you should trim it, and now it will be able to see line, not that line, this line and this line, yeah, right, line and that line. Keep elements unjoined. Okay, unjoin that one and we will join it again. Let me I will check. This is joined, this one too, this one yes, and that one too. And let's load it again to the project. Alright, nothing changed, but if you will go to the level 2, you will see your door here. So the reason only you can make it able to see by 3D on your plan, or you can draw symbolic line and you will see it like as you want. Before we will continue, we should fix one thing. Actually, we did a bit, I did a bit wrong the second level. As you understand, the level, I will show you on the plan. We will use some elevation. Let's use, for example, east view. Yeah, this is better for us. We have 4 meter on this side, but actually we should have like minus 1600 millimeters. So in this point we should have the 8 meter, but here we will have the low side. So it means we should make it a bit smaller. How we can do that? Actually, we can select our level, we can select move, select from this point to this level. I will do that. And now everything becomes smaller. Yes, it will take time. I will some mullions. Okay, I will delete it. I will fix it up again. So here we get 630 millimeter, but I don't believe on this dimension. I will create one more dimension. I will select on this dimension, and as you remember, we can check it. Is it right dimension or no? Do we have this dimension? No, we don't have. So edit type, and after that I will go to the what is that? Millimeters, 3D mils. Oh yeah, everything correct. So as you can see, everything correct. So I can delete on this dimension. Okay, now our side of the windows and the second floor is correct. I will check this window, and I will check the height of that. Level 3 minus 200. So 200. No, it's so too small. I will do like this. Here will be 0. Now it become a bit high. Now it's alright. Let me go to the north view. Let me select this wall. As you can see, everything here alright. It's up to the level 3. Okay. South view. Yeah, here we should modify it. I will select, and I'll say here is the 0, and it will go exactly to the corner. And the west view, again the same thing. I will select this side. 2200, so 2300. I will do. And that one door, the curtain wall, it also will be 2300 millimeter. Perfect. I will go to the 3D, and now it looks more like the reference. So yes, this was my mistake, but we did everything right, and as you can see, I just changed the level 3 and everything following this one. So that one, it's BIM modeling. Once you will did something, if you will back and change it, you will change everything. Yes, we can get some mistakes somewhere, but it doesn't matter. Okay, now if you will go to the level 1, you will see the one thing. We have here the parking bay, but our floor actually have this size. We should change something, so we will change this floor. Let's go to the edit boundary, and we will draw exactly as we need it. I will use the trim key. Where's my trim? And I will do it like that. I will delete this line. I don't need it anymore. And I will say okay. If I will go to the 3D, I will see here's the opening. It's okay for us. It's okay, no worries. I will go back to the level 1. I will select this floor and I'll say I need to create this similar. Now I will draw one more thing like this, and here will be our parking bay, because our car somewhere should be stopped on the ground, not only the underground like we have. Let me, I will draw it properly, one by one, and just this same angle. Let me, I will use the trim, and I will use the trim here. No, it's impossible to use the trim here, no worries about that. So why it's not possible? Oh yeah, because here is the spline. Yeah, this is really nice problem, because here is the spline, as you can see. Yes, this is really terrible. So what we're gonna do? We actually will follow this line, but we should do the trick way, because we don't have anything. So let me, I will use this slice. And no, I cannot slice it here. Okay, I don't have any choice. I will draw. It's really interesting problem, because I should draw one more line. I will try to do approximately. It's really hard. It's really hard. Or no, we have another choice. I will select my line what I did already. I will copy it, and I will just cancel the changes. Now I will select this floor. I will go to the edit boundary, and I will paste to the align view. Yeah, like this. And now I will use the trim. No, impossible to use the trim, but slice. Is it possible to use the slice or no? Here we have this sliding. Let me think. It's really a terrible problem. I cannot trim it, I cannot do anything, and I cannot split even it. So I can only create one more line. Somewhere like this. Maybe near to that one. Yeah. And I will delete right now this one, and I will make it connection exactly on this point. Yeah, this is tricky way, but with what we can do. So somewhere the sketching it's not finished. Where is sketching not finished? Let me check one more time. Continue. Oh yeah, this small line here, delete. Okay. Do not attach, and as you can see we get our floor. Let me, I will go to the 3D, but now we need work with the side. As you remember, we have here the side. We should also split our side. Just go and split it again, split surface, select on that, select on your surface. I already did, as you can see, select your surface which you should delete it, done. And here we just need to make some changes with some dots. As you can see here, we should a bit change it. Actually, the surface, let me, I will just use the align, and I will align the lines exactly to this surface, as you can see. Yeah, it takes time a bit, but once you will do that, everything will be alright. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and do even the small changes here. And as you can see, say okay. We here a bit more. Let me use the line again, and I think it's done. Maybe this one too. Okay, let's say okay. And as you can see, here is exactly our path, the flat, and we can place our car here. We get only this small thing here. Yeah, some small problem here. Let me, I will check it. Here's everything alright, but this small part I really don't like it. I don't know what is that. Let me, I will try to split it. I think we can split it by this way, and just by like this. No, it's terrible. I will do on the top. I'll try to split this side. No, okay, we cannot split by this way. We should make it smaller. Okay, let's make it smaller, because the reason we are using some different way to that one. Okay, done. Tab key, select, delete, done. Now we don't have any other geometry. Maybe this one you should make it a bit extend. As you can see, it's now really small. Maybe you should go to the model in place and do a bit bigger. So this again, just edit sweep. Let's sweep this. Let's edit profile of this sweep, and let's say here it will be 4200 millimeter, like this. Let's say OK, and let's say OK again. And as you can see, it's now a bit extended. Maybe here you should cut it. Yeah, maybe you not should cut it. Maybe you can continue till your building, and this will be like a boundary. So this is again up to you already. Maybe yes, we should cut it here and just close by this way. Yeah, let's do the same thing with on the other side. I'll say OK. I'll select this part. Select again this one, edit sweep, that one, double click on that, this part, 4200, OK, OK, and one more time, OK, done. As you can see, now it's a bit extended. Now let's join this part and this. We can change switch the order of the join, and as you can see, now it's not any problem here, but here we should cut it. Actually, it's pretty easy. Just select your model in place, go inside to the model, go to the top view. Here is my 3D top view. I will go to the create, void, extrusion, and let's extrude it, because I don't need this part. I will extrude like this, trim. Okay, and I will make it a bit bigger, like 400 millimeter. It doesn't matter, but we will do that. And as you can see, now we don't have any problem. The same thing you can do on the other side. Just select it, select again, top, create, void form. For kind of this small project, this way to create the shape, it's okay, it's not a big mistake. But it's also, you should think if you wanna count something else, so you should think always about that thing, not only the right situation. Maybe you will have some reason to create it more complex, because on the next time you should make it more complex view. I will go now to the level 1, and I will go to the architecture, wall. I need external wall, external concrete 300 wall. I will use this straight line, and I will draw it from this side. Okay, sorry, from the exterior view, from this side to that side. Now I will go to the 3D view again, and as you can see, it's totally height. I will change to the unconnected height, and I'll say only 200 millimeter. Done. And as you can see, we now have boundary. Yes, now we can create, for example, here the railings if you want. So, and it also will help you. Or you can create even the more nice little thing. You can connect it till this way. So just level 1, this one till here. Create similar from this side to this side. I will extend manually. I said. Now I will use the join, and I will do the same thing here till here. Create similar. Now it's already details, and I will go to the my 3D view, and as you can see, we have here like a boundary, right? And it's connected till there, and here we can place, for example, something like a rail. For example, we don't wanna make it entrance on this side, so you can make it rail. So guys, I did some small changes. For this tutorial we already finished, so we are, as you can see, already on the finish line. Yeah, we have a lot of the work still, but anyway, our building already you can see. You can already calculate it, you can already render it, so this building already under finish. The next time we will go to the more deeply with more detail. We will try to, for example, to change some families. For example, our railing door like we have here, we should change it, because if you will check the plan, they have like not shutter door, they have rolling door, so we should change it. So maybe in the next tutorial I will create this family, I will show you how you can create this family, and after that tutorial we will place it, and after that we will already start to create drawings. So we will start already to create drawings. As you can see, the project it's not taking the long time, any project not taking the time, but this project is really simple. It's not actually this project simple, I mean we creating it simple. Actually we should create like double walls, we should exclude some small things, like you can see this here, some line. Here is the some line, we should work with that thing, but it's already not 0 level, so you can say now you are on the some level with the Revit. So see you in the next tutorial.